In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star an element in Canva. First, open Canva and sign in if needed. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and either create a new design or open one you've already been working on. This can be any type of project, like a presentation, social media post, flyer, or anything else. The important thing is that you're inside the Canva editor, where you can access and manage design elements. After your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the editor and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores a huge library of graphics, shapes, stickers, illustrations, lines, frames, and other visual assets that you can use in your design. If you already know what kind of element you're looking for, this next part will be very quick. In the search bar inside the Elements panel, type in the name or style of the element you want to find. For example, you might search for something simple, like an arrow, a star, a flower, or a decorative icon. As the results appear, browse through them and select the element you want. This helps make sure you're choosing the exact graphic you may want to save for later use. Once you've found the element, look for the 3 dots located near it. Clicking those 3 dots will open a small menu with more options related to that specific item. In that menu, select Star. This adds the element to your starred items, which is helpful if you want to quickly find it again in the future without searching all over again. You may also notice that Canva gives you the option to unstar the item later if you no longer want it saved in your starred list. In some cases, you may also see an option to remove it from your bookmarks, favorites list, or folder, depending on how your Canva workspace is set up. That gives you a simple way to organize the elements you use most often and keep your design workflow more efficient. And that's it. Once you star an element, it becomes much easier to return to it later, especially if you regularly use the same visual style across multiple designs. It's a small feature, but it can save time and help you stay organized while working in Canva.